poised for a ghar wapasi to the TMC. The BJP leader, the current BJP leader, is expected to meet Mamata Banerjee at around 2 o'clock at the Trinamool Bhavan. After that, we are being told that the Chief Minister will be meeting with her party leaders at 3 o'clock to discuss this possible ghar wapasi of other turncoats who are interested in rejoining the TMC. This is the big piece of breaking news that is now coming in. Along with Shubhendu Adhikari, Mukul Roy was one of the big names, as you know, who migrated from the TMC to the BJP right ahead of elections. Most of the people who did migrate to the BJP were people who were named in the Narada Sarada scam, as it is called, in West Bengal. Now, the speculation is that today's meeting could pave the way for Mukul Roy at least to rejoin the TMC. That's the speculation. What are our reporters hearing on the ground? That is something we'll be talking to Sugato Mukhopadhyay, who will be joining us from Calcutta. Pallavi Ghosh joining us from Delhi. Payal tracking the BJP right here in Delhi, wondering whether there is any reaction that is coming in from the BJP. But for the moment, the man on your screens, one of the tallest TMC leaders at one point of time, someone known to be very close to Mamata Banerjee. By the way, someone who Mamata Banerjee didn't badmouth despite the fact that he had migrated to the BJP. All through the election, we heard her say things about Shubhendu Adhikari, but never about Mukul Roy, always maintaining that Mukul Roy is different. Now, what are the reasons that have led to Mukul Roy possibly considering joining back the TMC? Is it because the BJP hasn't performed very well? Is it because there is no role for him to play in the BJP, no substantial role for him to play in the BJP? All that right now a matter of speculation. Let me go across to Payal, who is joining us on the phone line. Payal, first things first, any reactions, initial reactions coming in from the BJP on this possible news that could play out through the afternoon today?
Well, what we do know that, possibly Mukul Roy may seek a meeting with the Bengal Chief Minister and the TMC Chief Mamata Banerjee this afternoon. But the BJP say that they officially do not know about this. Mukul has not informed them about his decision as of now. But unofficially, I've been speaking to a lot of leaders, and they say that they're not really surprised to see this really happen, because they feel that Mukul Roy was constantly sidelined by the Saffron party. Mukul Roy was always playing second fiddle, first to Dilip Ghosh as the state president, and then secondly to Shubhendu Adhikari after Shubhendu Adhikari was really elevated as well. So obviously the reason for Mukul's frustration, and remember Mukul is a person with a lot of experience. He's been a former minister in the union government. He's been someone who's been the number 2 at one point in time to Mamata Banerjee. He's been someone who's been a founder member of the TMC. And when he jumped ship from the TMC to BJP, he was expecting at least to get some sort of a place in some sort of finding. But the BJP, all that the BJP gave him was they gave him a designation which is quite meaningless. The vice president designation, in the words of his supporters, was quite meaningless. But the only worry and the biggest worry right now, Shreya, for the BJP will be that Mukul Roy, when he came, he brought in people by the dime and dozen to the BJP, and he's quite capable of doing the reverse as well. Because there are quite a few MLAs who are in the camp of Mukul Roy right now. And if Mukul Roy really wants, and if the TMC really gives him that go ahead first for himself and then for the others, then probably you might just see that, you might just see the BJP, which was of course look like people are jumping, ship and joining like a hot cake, would just turn out to be soon turn out to be a dampener as of now.
And then the next question, given that the West Bengal elections are done and dusted, will it really impact the BJP, apart from of course terrible optics, that someone like a Mukul Roy and his supporters who had joined right before the elections will be going back to the TMC? Pallavi Ghosh joining us live on the story as well. Pallavi, first things first, what are you hearing?
Well, there's supposed to be a scheduled meeting between Mamata Banerjee and Mukul Roy at 2 o'clock. The fact is that we were talking about this earlier, that even when the most acrimonious state of the Bengal election campaign, and she called almost everyone who had quit the TMC to join the BJP as Mir Jafars, she had actually clarified from stage to say that I'm not going to say this about Mukul Roy because he's different. Till the end, she would actually be in connection with Mukul Roy's family, going to visit them in hospital. And, she's always had that soft corner for Mukul Roy. Mukul Roy, may have been critical of Mamata Banerjee. Obviously, he had to attack the TMC during his campaign. but there were no personal comments. The comments we would often see from, say, Shubhendu Adhikari or Dilip Ghosh. Mukul Roy never made those kind of personal comments about Mamata Banerjee, but that's also because that's really his demeanor of Mukul Roy. He would be an asset for the TMC to come back, whether he's going to get back the same position or not, because he'll also have to keep the internal dynamics of the party, of those people who feel that, there have been people who have been loyal while he was the one who quit the party to join the BJP, and now he's coming back because the BJP has lost. But he would be an asset for Mamata Banerjee, only to show the thumbs down to the BJP, that when you used to attack me and call me a sinking ship because people were leaving us, well, these are the people who are going to come back. Now, if Mukul Roy really joins back the TMC, it could actually open the floodgates of many more other of those turncoats who could be actually coming back to the Trinamool Congress. And for her, this would be a part of a larger fight against the BJP.
Shugato Mukhopadhyay joining us as well. Pallavi and Payal, I'm going to request you to stay with us. Shugato, it was back in November 2017 that Mukul Roy, who was the second in command in the TMC, had decided to switch parties and join the BJP. Now, if at all he comes back, we do know that there is Abhishek Banerjee, who in many ways has been anointed the successor for Mamata Banerjee, the second in command as it were. If he does come back, does he come back to the same position? Why exactly does he want to come back? Are there any clear answers to these questions?
Well, Shreya, first up, there is the saying that, there are no permanent friends or enemies in politics. And these developments seems to only, justify that saying that goes for politics. No for permanent friends, no permanent enemies. Mukul Roy obviously jumped ship, went over to the BJP, acted, as the strategist for the BJP for the 2019 state elections, rather the general elections. The party did remarkably well, winning 18 of the 42 seats, and then Mukul Roy himself was a candidate for the recently concluded state elections. He was one of those who had actually won the seat for the BJP. However, there had been a lot of speculations about the factional fights between the state wing of the BJP party here, with Mukul Roy having a separate lobby from other leaders, especially Dilip Ghosh, so on and so forth. There have been such speculations. All those were obviously buried under the excitement of the state elections, where the BJP came out as a united front in the wake of the fact that they were taking on the Trinamool Congress and was strongly challenging the Trinamool Congress for power here in the state of Bengal. However, things took a U-turn after the results of post 2nd May turned out to be a bit unexpected for the BJP, which was aiming for 200 plus seats, but had to remain contented with 77 seats here in the state of Bengal. So obviously, post that, the differences within various leaders began to grow, and we know that Mukul Roy has since been maintaining distance from the leadership of the party. He had not attended a single meeting that the party held post the elections, and of course there was this issue of Mukul Roy's wife being seriously ill and undergoing treatment in a hospital here in Kolkata. Abhishek Banerjee goes to meet, and that obviously was followed up by meetings, similar visits by leaders of the state party, as well as calls from the centre. Obviously, those were indications that the party was trying to get Mukul Roy remain in the platform that he originally was.
Okay.
So obviously, under the circumstances, when Mukul Roy was showing these signs, there was desperation from the party leadership to hold him back. It seems now that the efforts have failed.
And in fact, I think the first indication came on Tuesday. There was a BJP Bengal organization meet, and Mukul Roy had decided to skip it. Do stay on with us.